y'all, welcome to Bear Down Life, the series where we bring you information on all the best clubs at the University of Arizona, which just happens to be all the clubs because the U of A is awesome. I'm Sarah Cowherd, and I've got to say, today's episode is going to be pretty eventful. We're checking out the Wildcats Events Board, which works to bring awesome programs to the U of A. Let's jump right into the action. So now we're here with Brian, a member of Wildcat Events Board. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Pretty good, chilling. My first question is, what is Wildcat Events Board all about?
We put on free events for the school, so we have free concerts, we have free activities on the mall. We give away a lot of free food, things like that.
We've done poets, musicians, concerts, sip and paint. We've done big inflatables on the mall. We've done free movie screenings. So yeah, we do all sorts of events.
Why did you join Wildcat Events Board, and why should others consider joining?
So I joined because I was really interested in event planning and mostly in the music aspect. So I joined the concerts committee. And that helped me a lot. It's opened a lot of doors, and I'm really glad I did it.
It's outside of literally every major. It gives you an all-around experience with marketing, but I would honestly encourage anybody who has a great mind for creativity, who's interested in leadership.
It is a great resume builder, and just helping out the student body and giving out free events and free things. I mean, why wouldn't you want to join?
Well, I'm part of the concerts committee, so we do the big BDMF festival every year, and I want to go into concerts, so that's a surreal experience for me. Just getting to do everything with it, it's amazing.
I gotta say though, that's a really cool shirt. What's that all about?
So this is the BDMF shirt, which is this huge concert. It's EDM festival themed.
We've been planning it all year. Everyone's putting everything in to get this music festival going. Headliners Louis the Child. We have Win and Woo playing as well, and we have a couple of student DJs playing. Apart from that, we have Spring on the Green next week, which is a ton of inflatables. It's baseball themed, so there's going to be a lot of baseball activities going on. It's going to be a lot of free food, things like that.
So we are here on the mall where the Bear Down Music Festival is going to be going down. All this land right here that you see in less than 24 hours is going to be filled with everything you could want in a music festival. Going to the events is one thing, but if you want leadership skills, event planning skills, and many more skills of different types, then you need to join the Wildcat Events Board. I promise you won't be bored. Sorry, your name again. I'm so sorry. I just blanked. If you want. How are you doing?
Pretty good. Yourself?
I'm so sorry. How's it going?
Awesome. How's it going for you?
It is going in one direction.
Yeah.